Hey everybody, and welcome back to a very special video today. This is a first video on YouTube, TikTok, wherever else it'll be posted. We'll get to that in a minute, but first here's our stock lights here that I will be replacing, and these are not bad. I switched out all the bulbs. As you can see here, I went all LED bulbs in this, got the brightest ones on Amazon. It works pretty darn good on high beam. Low beam, I got them tipped down quite a bit. Seems how this truck sets up so high. That way I'm not blinding everybody. But I was definitely due for an update on headlights, which brings us to today's video. This is a very special video. I got the first of its kind unboxing for you. The first video on YouTube, first video on TikTok. But let's get into it. We are unboxing. These are Lesem LED headlights. These are for a 09 to 2018 Dodge Ram 1500 or 2500 pickup. So they have 2 dual core and 1 triple core Osram LED, which should give you excellent lighting. So let's get these out of the box. I already kind of undid this to make it a little easier for us. So if you can see up close here or see what we got. They are packaged nice too. There's 2 boxes in here. There's another one in there, which I'm going to leave in there for now. This one here, I undid the tape just to make it easier for the video. And here we go. They open the box. They got it protected really nice. The packaging is excellent on these guys. Got your nice heavy duty foam around the headlight here. Right, we'll pull the headlight out. Alright, so here's the headlight here. They got nice plastic around it, foam around it. Let's pull this out of the plastic. It's a moment of truth, huh? Don't drop it. Check that out. Does that look nice or what? Nice black projector headlight. Alright guys, time for the famous plastic peel. Let's all be quiet so you can hear the sound. Ooh, check that out. Does that look nice or what? Man, that looks nice. These are DOT approved. Guys, the quality of this looks amazing. Yes, it is. The housing is a plastic housing on here. Let's take a look at the back. So the back, this is made for my dual beam. So you got your 2 plug-ins here that just plug into the stock harness. Then you got this for your LED projectors and your headlights there. You got your adjustment up here on top, and then this just plugs into the socket for where you install it at. The main thing we are here to see, it is fairly heavy, so I'll give them that. The lens looks really nice, projectors look super nice. Trying to look, this is kind of like a heavy composite plastic basically. That's what that looks like, so it should be good. You can see they got silicone around here where it's squeezed out, so I'd rather see too much silicone than not enough, so it should be sealed up that way, I'm hoping. We'll find out in a long-term test review, but yeah, that's a look at them, guys. Let's get some B-roll footage and close-up shots.
I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal.
Beautiful headlights, guys. Your low beams are these 2 up here. Your high beams are right here. These they say on the website, they do come with a 10-year warranty. These are your running lights right here. And then they are sequential turn signals, so they'll go amber and then flash across. This middle one here is like a blue accent light. So yeah, and then you got your yellow reflector right here. All right guys, check this bugger out. The first video on YouTube. Lesem LED headlights for the 09 to 18 Dodge Ram pickups. These things are absolutely beautiful, guys. And here's the back. Underneath. Now I'm getting fingerprints all over the lens, but hey, that's alright. So hope you liked the unboxing video. Stay tuned, I will have an install video next, and then after that I'll have the review video where I actually test them out, turn them on, and check out what the lighting is like on them. So yeah, stay tuned for that. These buggers look freaking awesome. Let me know down in the comments what you think, what you want to see. But from what I see from unboxing them, they look amazing, guys. I can't wait to get these buggers in.